I'm preloading the bars to see, or not to see that message. Alright, so we got the 26th of May. I'm gonna start drawing some lines and boxes on all the instruments. Let's see what we got. Just checking in the background to see that there are no scheduled news on this session. Right. Nothing that I'm interested of anyway. Okay. Let's load this while we do it. This is because the indicator draw gives me a level there that I don't need or don't want to see. That's why I just do this. See this red text disappears. That's the thing. And this looks like not good at all, so we're probably not gonna look at this today. This is very not nice. Nice, took out the highs. Now, okay. Right. A lot of sellers, huh? Interesting. That can't be good. Can't definitely not be good. Just waiting to close above, and we actually did close above. They really do want to push this up. We'll see if we get there. We can draw some boxes now. What's this? Just gonna adjust the numbers a bit. Okay, now I see. Right, that's not good. I want to see the bubbles. I don't want them to disappear, but yeah, I'm just trying. That's the thing with this this indicator. It's good, but it's static volume. The one I built for MT5 uses percentage, which is a way better way to go, if you ask me. Okay, this is good enough, I think, for now. Let me sort out the chat. Right, now I can see if anybody writes something interesting. That's the overnight range. I'm gonna plot this on everything for now. This looks like it's loading. My first thought. This is loading, collecting energy. Big sellers down here. I mean, red. Listen. Do you want to sell at the lows? You raise your hand, right? No, it's not good. Look, this is way better, right? Testing that level, probably to see verification if it's still there. That's what I think. Oh yeah. Gotta make sure because the timer offset is a bit skewed. I can see, yeah, we are wrong, yes, here. So it's supposed to be here. Right. So the thing is, I'm gonna fix this box. Just 1 sec. Looks good enough to me. Right, so we came to here. And we scraped the low here. Okay, now this has to create the true formation. I'm not just flat out buying it, right? So we wait for that. I'm gonna adjust the ES thing as well. I mean, this looks good, this small range looks good, but in reality, the Asia high here today is actually, this is actually correct. So we can, I'm not doing this because I want to see the spike, so I do like this. Right, same idea. This was strong, created this. We're at the, we are actually below the level. Interesting. So you wanna go short here and take out the lows? Maybe. It's a good way. Let's just keep doing this. This is correct. Yeah, same like the euro did as well. Yeah, of course. But we can't take this. I want to buy it like this, but we can't do it. Same. Okay. We have the cable thing. Yeah. That's not the correct. One of these days, I'm gonna build something for this platform. Yeah. Actually, let's see if we can do that. Right, and we wait. Today I was a bit late today, but working on. I found a problem with one of my indicators and started working on the code. And you know what happens? Time disappears when you do that. Right. Yen just looks, yeah, I mean, better now, but not good. So let's draw some more levels, right? So they're going for the lows, yeah. Okay, let's go on 15. It's quite a bit much for them. Those bubbles are actually a bit too much. Let's add some, let's see. Okay. This was strong, we have the low, we have the level, we only need to draw this box. Right, let's do that. You know the drill. People think we're going long, we take out the lows, we intra switch, and that's it. And we look for the New York highs, right? That 15 will, that's enough, we don't need more. We could do this one as well, but we don't need that because we already see it here for the right. Now we see everything, right? That's quite a lot. Let's adjust that. I just add 40 to make it look a little bit better. And 240, right? Right, so I think this. Yeah, that's to be expected. We can grab these. Like I said yesterday, just continuously drawing on the chart does help out, I have found. And I also saw something yesterday. Somebody else with similar stats that I found on the thing where entering with static size is not really bad if it's controlled, right? But entering with size that changes, like risk is pretty much the same, does make the reward better. We'll see when we incorporate that. I'm thinking about it. Right. Waiting for that thing to do something. All right. And the 2 minutes. The drawings are chart specific on this platform. So if I draw something, you know, on one of them, I won't see it here. This, yeah, not too surprised. We did change direction here, and we come into the 1, 2, second breaking formation with this inside. 1, 2, 3, this is a reason to go short. And yeah, this is not the target, this is the target. This is also before my time starting. Same as yesterday. 32 down to, that's a nice 40 points. It's a good day. I've seen this pattern for a few weeks now, where I'll look at the chart and I'll see signals 30 minutes before starting time. Even if I started from 8 o'clock, I see strong, good signals that, well, good or strong, whatever. But I see signals that do something useful. It's something to consider for the future. Look at this. We are selling down here. And if they can't sell, we have to close above for it to be interesting, right? Oh no, this again. Yeah. At least this is better. You see people buying here. We should change the opacity a bit. I think it's we can add some. Yeah, like when they're layered, it's better. Yeah, we should change it. Okay. Slight adjustments. So a lower number means more invisible. So 25 means I see more. 720 plus, we do add some just slight adjustments. Better, right? So we took out the lows. No surprise. and we don't close beyond them, so yeah. I'm now on my MT5 clicking around to see what it looks like if we compare, basically testing the indicators there, right? But there's a bunch of sellers on the cable. Wow. I'm not going to step in front of that, but just for testing purposes, I'm just gonna sell there. It's gonna put a sell limit in the gap. So what I did on, we can go to the next chart, right? Chart looks very close to this on the MT5, but so what I did was sold here, limit sell here, just to see what the system actually does. Yeah. And this is very nice. I should put this on the big screen actually, yeah. We need to do that. Look at this spike, it's way bigger than this, right? Big sellers. Let's see if we can sort it out. I'm gonna go on the other machine. It's a really wide screen, and yeah, but yeah, I'm streaming in normal window because probably that's what you want to see. But who knows, in the future maybe we will change it. See. All right. Okay. Yeah, this looks very nice. Now we're talking. All right. So yeah, I have a very wide footprint on the big screen now, with something close to this setup, with the volume bubbles as well. so giving me a lot of detail. But yeah, it's kind of nice. So I mean, it looks like they're actually trying to buy it back. You don't see that on this pin here, but within this pin, it's a lot of volume in there on the downside. And actually the sellers are, I mean, looks like we pushed it down, but they tried to sell it first one, tried to buy it back here, and kind of stopped right now. Interesting. And somebody dumped a lot of sellers. Somebody at 7 here pushed a lot of orders in. Just a big, something real big there. Okay. Anyway, oh, we'll see. I mean, look at the spikes, man. We'll see. We have a gap at 29.07, I think. Pretty much, yeah, this thing, yeah. Actually here. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. They're trying to buy it back. It's a bit too early, guys. It's a bit too early. But yeah, we'll find out. And most likely, yes, doing something similar, yeah. I mean, look at this. You don't, I mean, this is just, this is the hands-off signal, eat food. Right. Yeah. This looks nice though for a long, but we need the switch thing here. That's what I realized yesterday, what was missing. If you watched the stream from yesterday, I put on a trade and I look at the chart and something is wrong, something's off. Yeah, I don't know what's off. And I realized later, you know, we did switch directions, but it wasn't strong enough. There was no gaps, nothing. It was really just switching colors of the bars, which is not strong enough on that time frame. So we skip it. And yeah, we could look deep into the delta as well, but no. We do this. Okay. Right. Okay. Well, we made the initial move, looks like, and now we need to create the counter move. I'm not touching it. Not like this. Let's get some food. Okay. All right, Claude, I'm adding you to the stream. We are live on YouTube. You know the drill. Currently we have price has made the initial push down, took out the Asia low across the board on many instruments. I got a big box drawn on 5 instruments, I think. Got some levels plotted, waiting for waiting for energy to shift to the upside right now.
Got it. So you're sitting on structure, Asia low taken out across the board, boxes locked on 5 instruments. You're reading for the reversal setup, waiting for that absorption shift where the sellers lose conviction and buyers step back in. That's the 2-attempt concept. Price test the low, shows hesitation on the second push.
2 attempt? What is 2 attempt? That's not my concept. Nah. Don't make me switch you to Sonnet or even Opus. Shouldn't be necessary.
You're right. My apologies. What's the current price action showing?
Here's the funny part, right? I got footprint on the big screen, right? I got volume bubbles layered on top, right? And it's fairly zoomed in. And I also see like the VPOC. I see value area. And so I have a very detailed view on the big screen, and I got normal 5-minute bars, you know, on the laptop. But the funny thing is, on ES and on NQ, big sellers show up at the lows, right? No follow through. But if you zoom into the details, I mean, yeah, sure, some are buying, but there's no conviction. And I mean, I could sell the bubble, but we don't do that, right? So we wait.
So sellers printed at the lows, no, right there. Zoom into the footprint and you're seeing buys, but they're scattered, no real conviction behind them. No absorption at support, just noise. That's your 2-attempt setup. Sellers tried, buyers aren't committing. Next push down is the
No, I have no 2-attempt setup. There's no such thing in my system.
The short setup is there. Right. Big sellers buying at the lows. Right. You're waiting for the shift. Seller showed no follow through.
And what we're waiting for is what might happen is the power shift setup that I have, which could be a double low with a delta or divergence on either leg, with a close above, and then a retrace into it for a mode A or mode B setup, or price action, something related to the gap that is created. We'll see, right? For now we wait, that's the point.
Understood. You're watching for the power shift. Double low with delta or divergence. Then the close above retraces back into it for mode A, mode B, or trisection logic tied to the gap structure. Setup clarity locked. You wait for the confirmation.
That's right. Yeah, and some new sellers showed up, but they're not moving price. So now it looks like the energy has evened out a little bit. But I mean, you know, if they can't push it down, we'll see what happens. I'm not doing anything to it though. See here, yeah.
Locked in. Energy level. New sellers showing, but no conviction behind the push. You're watching the next move. Price goes down. You see what the structure tells you. Otherwise you hold.
Yep.
All good then. What's the next read?
Well, we're waiting for something to happen. I'm working on something in the background as well. I found some things I don't like with one of my indicators, and I'm working on it. Also, working on some things for the site, you know, for the buying function. Yeah, but it's just in between waiting for price, right?
Makes sense. Multitasking while price decides. Indicator fix needed. Site work happening in the gap. Price will tell you when it's ready.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right. So I got the info yesterday. My schedule for next week and going forward is going to be bounced around a bit. Doesn't really impact the trading too much, but it's a bit it's a bit weird. I got some scheduled random meetings all over the place. Yeah.
Scheduling chaos. Doesn't hit trading directly.
No, it doesn't. What happened here? Really? Yeah, somebody's buying the euro back hard. Oh well. Oh, now it hits the NQ. 1 second. There it was. There it is. NQ, NQ, NQ. Look at the euro reaction here. Bam. What's that? Look at the NQ reaction. What's this? Footprint. News. Check. It's a bit too much. It's a bit too fast. Oh yeah. We have the volatility just peaked a lot. Ah yes, random, here we are, 26 minutes, wait, let me refresh this thing. 26 minutes ago, orange news, something about the war. Yeah, there we are. And like I'm now watching the 2-minute chart and it just picked up the pace. Yeah, anyway. That does it. That does it, right? And the euro, so interesting. Like I was watching for the euro to change. I mean, the speed, this thing just. So we have this is 9:33, 26 minutes ago. So yeah, that's this bar, that's this, and the reaction is just bam. Well. No, they hit that. They hit 26 minutes ago. Clock is 09:33.
Got it. 9:33 now. News hit at 9:07. 26 minutes of price reaction playing out right now across the board. Euro moving hard, NQ picking up speed. Systems reading it clean.
Looks like we can get sell situation on cable. We wait to see. I mean, so they tried to buy back the NQ, couldn't really. Let's add some shorts here. Ah, what the fuck? Got some sand on this thing. I have to fix that. One sec. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I have to move around the mouse a bit. Had something was wrong. So this is a reason to go short, but because we have all this chop, I'm just gonna add it down here.
Order working.
And like this. For now, but we're still gonna respect the time from this bar. We'll see. We can't target this thing. We need something else. Okay, yeah, this is juicy. Targeting 4 days ago, New Year close. We'll see. We'll wait. See if anything happens. Let's watch the euro. I think, yeah. Are we? This is a short. Yes, we should do the same here. Trade mode.
Shorts live then.
No, pending.
Order working.
Pending order locked in. Waiting for fill.
That's right. We wait for this. Same deal with the euro, just slightly higher on the pending. We scraped the high with this, but same colors, but wrong color for the pin, so that's why pending. See, M and Q on 5. It's painfully moving down, doesn't want to go there. And the MES. Hey, by the way, do you know if I can make, can I custom make indicators for this platform? It's called Trade Ovate.
Pine script equivalent, but it's limited compared to MT.
Right, so, okay, let's look at building some later. I have some ideas to how to make these better, actually.
Trade-Evade supports custom indicators through their API and scripting layer, but it's limited compared to MT5. Build alerts and basic automations, but full custom indicators require either their proprietary format or external tools feeding signals back in. Most traders layer MT5 indicators on top or use external charting. Building custom stuff for Trade-Evade directly is doable, but slower than MT5 work. What are you thinking?
Do you think Opus can build it?
Opus can build it, yeah. Syntax depends on what Trade-Evade accepts. Could be Pine script style, could be their native format. You'd need to check their documentation first.
I don't know about the syntax or the limits actually on the system, but I know what we have and I know how we can make it better. I don't know the limits of the system though.
That's the right starting point.
Yes, it is. That's the only starting point. Okay, let's see.
Right? You know the edge, you know what's missing. Document what you want. The logic,
Yeah.
the output you're chasing.
We got fresh buyers showing up on the MNQ again. On the 2 minutes. So currently we need to close above this level here. I would say 7, 8. Let's say we need to close above 790, right? Then we have the directional switch. Have a small gap here to fill though. We'll see how it reacts there. Because it looked like on the zoomed in footprint on big chart, looks like, yeah, new players have showed up and they want to buy even more. We'll see. 15 seconds to go here. I'm just gonna look at my pendings. Doesn't look like anything here. I'll just look at the euro. Yeah, same deal. So this is a pin formation, and what's currently forming here is something like a doji. Those are not the same,
Order
so we cancel, right? As per the rules. And the rule is, so we scrape the highs. If same colors, it's fine. If different colors, we need the switching formation, but we did today. And if we have the same formation twice in a row, we can adjust the entry, but we didn't, so I removed it. And for this one, we have same again. Yes, but since it's down here. Okay, we're gonna let this live for 5 more minutes because spin top, spin top. So the reason I placed it lower here is because this is absolutely garbage. And this formation shows that, okay, we reached the gap, but this is the reaction. We have a similar reaction to the next bar. So now we wait for the time for the latest bar to form. And if nothing happens, we remove. So we wait here and yeah, we'll see.
So you're a pen-
Yeah, and it looks like MNQ wants to go higher. Actually, MNQ is pushing. See? It's pushing a bit higher. Yeah, that's where we are. But we need the close above 790.
MNQ pushing needs to close above 70-90 to flip the directional switch. You're watching the next close.
Mm-hmm.
How's the footprint looking on the big screen right now?
Accelerating towards higher.
Then you're watching for that close.
Yeah, I am. I'm also. I have the footprint quite zoomed in, on the wide screen, but it's on 5 minutes. And on the laptop, I have it set on the 2 minute chart that I'm streaming right now. But yeah, price is pushing up, right? We'll see what it does.
Got it. 5-minute footprint detail.
Mm-hmm. And this thing doesn't want to go. Well, right.
How many ticks away from 78.90?
Ticks, well, we were like 5 from it, maybe 4, super close.
Then that close is coming in seconds, probably.
No, if it's coming, yeah.
There it is.
Looks like, it almost looks like the bar, the 5 minute bar is going to form a gap because there's so much concentrated volume at the higher end of the bar. And it looks very hollow, like it just really jumped. There was nothing in the way to go against that. And if we have even more buyers show up, I am thinking, 29 8 10, we might have a small break there, but the highs are next, and the highs are at 850, I think. Looks like it. So yeah, we have.
So
Order
volume
cancelled.
spike through with nothing resisting. Hold deep. Small break possible at 29.98, but buyers keep showing. You're tracking toward that high.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the 5-minute.
Yeah.
So you're looking at a gap forming on the 5-minute concentrated volume at the top, hollow below it. Next resistance is 298.50, then the highs at 209.85.
Mm-hmm.
Buyers keep showing. You're tracking into those levels.
That's right. So now we got go for a small break, 2 minutes. Alright, we are back on. Yeah, we took out the highs, we didn't close higher, but we touched the highs. Yeah, but we did also create a gap, both on 5 and on 2 minutes, going there. So I mean, we took out the highs. Did we need to close higher, and then we need to touch the level. But yeah, pretty much.
Stick higher.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, so touch this gap. Okay, now it's asking me to go short here. Oh my god, I don't want to short this. Come on, man. We've seen the change in power. We'll see. Yeah. Actually, yeah. Could be that the system wants me to short this M and Q here. Oh man. Yeah. How should I respond to that? Yeah.
What does your structure say? Is this a reversal setup?
No, it says, I mean, we are still looking for short.
Then you've got your answer.
Yeah.
Systems.
I know. And so ES is currently building a short and also M and Q. Looks expensive. Right.
Building shorts, but M&Q looks overextended right now. PS might have better structure for it.
Both of them have good enough structure for it, to be honest. But we'll see what happens. There's a few minutes left. You don't know. We'll see what it prints, what it's done.
Right. Structure's there on both. You're waiting to see what the next bar confirms before committing.
Well, also remember, it's always like that. You have a strong move in one direction, then you have the next move as well. Normally, that is slightly not as strong. Like ending on the strongest move, wave structure. I don't really think that happens too much.
So after a strong directional push, the next leg typically weakens.
Yeah.
It doesn't end on the strongest.
I mean that's what I remember.
Structure doesn't usually
Normally, yeah.
climax at the top.
Mhm.
That's exhaustion logic. Buyers showed their best shot. So if M&Q just ripped higher, the short setup might be catching that natural pullback before the next push.
Yeah.
Structure's there, but timing-wise, you're reading.
I mean, we'll see what it does. It's a big ask. If you ask me, we're asking for a lot.
Yeah, you took out highs, gapped both time frames, now asking for an immediate reversal short. That's aggressive. You're waiting to see if the structure actually confirms it, or if it keeps.
You know, the news make it possible though, because it's the news basically say there's no peace right now. That's what they say, and yeah, that makes the market go down.
More news keeps the bid structure alive. Could flip it, but you're not forcing it. Structure has to show the reversal, not just the catalyst.
I mean, it's volume, but if you look at what it contains, like what's inside of it, yeah, this is way too low. 62 up to the stop is, even if I do this, let me say, okay, even if I do this, sell, yeah. See, yeah, I can't enter with 2 here. I will have to enter with 1, but ES I think works.
One contract then. Structure's there.
Sell market.
Order filled.
Short only. You're locked in if the setup confirms on the next bar.
Yeah, can't really find a good. Okay, well, I guess I don't think we're gonna go for that one, but yeah. So I'm short on the ES.
Structure's not clean enough right now.
Nah, it's not really clean, and
Short.
this is. We can do this, but we have to change it to 1.
Order filled.
One contract cleans it up, but structure still doesn't feel right to you.
Yeah.
Holding off.
It's supposed to be 2, so we are short the MNQ as well. But you know what? Like, listen, one trade can be wrong, it can be correct, but what we ultimately must follow is the system's. We must align with the system, right? Until we figure out something better. That's all that there is.
System comes first. Rules even when it doesn't feel perfect. That's how you scale. System's the frame. One trade wrong doesn't break it. You follow the rules. Let the math work across the sample size.
That is it, yeah.
Good. You're locked in then.
But I will say, if we break the lows again, oh yeah, then we're going.
If price retests the lows, that confirms the short conviction. You're watching for that break.
We're also already at the lows, so it could mean that we could stop there, and I would push my stop down because it creates a double low, lowering the risk for quite a bit. But yeah.
Double low tightens the stop significantly. Risk drops hard if you get that set up. You're watching for it.
Yeah. Right. Oh, they're trying to push it up. I mean, it's not like I told you, right? But we go up, we go down. What's going on? Nobody knows. Yeah.
The market's indecisive right now. Buyers and sellers both testing.
Yeah.
Watching which one commits.
Yes, we are.
Your shorts are live. You're waiting.
Oh yeah, they are. Definitely.
Then you've got time. Structure will show.
Yeah, we wait for the reaction.
Locked in then.
Yeah.
What else you seeing on the 5 instruments right now?
Well, let's see what the ES is doing. Something similar, you know, reacted to the lows. Most likely I would push the stop down. Let's see. Yeah. Euro kind of hovering up there. Cable doing something similar. And yen. Yeah. Yen is continuing to push. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what it does, you know. We'll see what it does.
All right. You're covered across the board then.
Yeah, we wait. There we are.
Good. Let me know when structure shifts.
Oh, something happened. Gotta adjust the stops.
What moved?
Nah, it's a new bar printed. I need to move this thing.
You're good. Adjust and lock it in.
Yeah, I'm adjusting. Calm down.
All good. Take your time.
So I pushed both of the stops down on the MNQ and MES. But it's more also interesting to see this. We are waiting, that's what we're showing.
Right. Stops locked lower. You're watching the next move.
Mm-hmm. Just basically waiting for something to happen. Got the 1 minute until the bar close. Yeah. M&Q is hovering. I don't see any follow through. They're trying to sell it. They are trying to sell it, but it's not going. No. Let's watch the MES. Kinda similar story if you ask me. It looks like it's creating that second weaker leg, yeah. Let's see.
Second leg forming weaker, like you said earlier.
Yeah. Well, we do need to close beyond actually something for it to be interesting, you know.
Close below the lows for confirmation. Otherwise, it's just...
Yeah, otherwise what's going on? I don't actually know. But I could choose to exit everything here. But that would be breaking the rules. And that's not allowed.
Rules are you stay in.
Rules are meant to be followed. Otherwise, why have them?
Exactly. System's only good if you execute it.
If we don't execute the system, we might as well do nothing, pretty much. Right.
You break the rules, you break the edge.
Exactly. If we break the rules, we break everything. There might be another reason to exit or whatever, but it's not part of the plan right now. We'll see what happens though.
Holds.
Mm.
You're waiting for the signal that's in the rules. You're waiting for the plan to trigger the exit, not emotion.
We already trailed the positions.
Then they're protected. You're just waiting for the next bar to confirm direction.
I mean, they're protected, right? But they're not protected at entry.
They protect from there forward. Entry risk is already taken. Trailing keeps you in the game if it reverses.
Yeah.
Alright, bar's about to close.
No. Your perception of time is way
You're
off.
waiting for the close?
Yeah, you have to wait.
Fair. I'll wait.
Yeah. Okay. Not much to do here.
Then you're just watching price.
We're just waiting. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, there's not much more going on than waiting. Price is okay. Trying to push higher. They're trying to buy it. I don't know how that's going to go. Okay, let's go on MES. It's kind of flat. MNQ, kind of flat as well. Looking at euros hovering up there, no real interest. I mean, might as well turn around, yeah. And we have the cable kinda. Everything is just sitting there right now. Nobody wants to do anything.
Everything's paused. Waiting for
Yeah.
the catalyst or is holding.
Mhm.
Nobody commit.
Nobody is committing. Yeah.
Markets paused. Everybody waiting to see who blinks first. Your shorts are protected. You're holding structure.
That isn't that the entire game though, right?
Pretty much. Whoever commits first wins that leg. You're not committing. You're watching who does.
Now we're waiting to see who is actually picking this up. But the yen is likely going slower down. Let's see. While we wait, let's see here. Okay. So this is quite odd.
What's odd?
I have a position on and the EA is not protecting it at all actually. Let's see what it does.
The EA's not trailing or managing it?
Nope. Oh, okay, I got it. Ignoring pre-existing ticket.
There it is. Lock it in and move on.
Right, that might be why. Well, okay, I'll just trail like this and see what it does. So checking the diagnostics. I think I set the pause timer to like 5 seconds. Oh wait, cancel. I did set the pause, yeah, to 5 seconds. And we'll see what it does. Should adjust this.
Pause on the EA. That's your buffer between it.
Should adjust the size. Yeah. I'll be getting negative delta starting to negative delta forming on 5 minutes on the NQ.
Show me.
You can't see the pictures, remember? I tried.
Right. You're on stream. Describe it. What's the delta showing?
Negative delta.
On the 5 minute, buyers aren't stepping.
Yeah. So I don't have delta on this screen, but on the footprint, yeah. Some small negative delta showing, yeah. They're okay. They're trying to push it down now. We'll see if it goes. We'll see.
Sellers stepping in.
Yeah.
Shorts just.
I can't have footprint or delta everywhere because for some reason check the audio, yeah. For some reason, you know, it's kinda difficult for the machine to push that to the stream. I don't understand really why, but yeah, that's pretty much it.
Flat.
Is it?
Yeah, you see the delta, you read it, your shorts are positioned for it.
Mm.
The stream sees.
No, I mean like when I stream, like the footprint chart is difficult. Okay, this is way too fast. The footprint chart is difficult, but also when I do stream the chart, it is also equally as difficult.
Footprint updates too fast to stream cleanly.
No,
Chart rendering.
that's not why.
What's the issue? Then what's the issue?
Oh, it's just difficult for the machine to display it. Something's off. I think price is reacting in the wrong way here.
What do you mean wrong way?
It shouldn't go up so easily.
But it is. So
A little
your
bit.
structure shifted or
No,
something
not
else
yet.
is-
We wait.
Then you're still in the trade,
Mm-hmm.
waiting for the
Oh,
structure
yeah, I
to
am.
confirm the short. What happened?
So now it says I updated the news feed, the Forex Factory. It says something fired at the US drone, blah blah blah, orange news.
Another catalyst just dropped.
Mm. At 34 minutes ago though. But yeah,
4 minutes back.
34.
Market's digesting it now then.
Mm.
Catch any risk-off moves from it. 34 minutes ago. Market slow to react to this one or still digesting the earlier bomb?
It does not look good. The news. You do wonder, like, why do they keep going? Why do they keep going? Like, who is going to win for doing that, right?
Not your call to make. You're just
No, it's not. It's not a question. It's not a question at all. Like it's like I'm just saying. That's a sentence without the question mark. Who is going to win, right?
Nobody wins that game. You're right.
Precisely. Yeah. I don't see the purpose for it. But yeah, okay, maybe they know something I don't. Right? That's how it is.
Could be. Either way, market's pricing it.
Yeah.
Jobs reading that. Not
Yeah. Of course it is. Of course.
So, what's price doing right now?
So looks like there's about 1 minute left. Looks like there was some volume at the highs, creating like a pin now, pushing lower. We'll see what it becomes.
In at the highs.
Mm,
Volume
I mean, it's really
lower.
flat. It's really, this is really chopped, really flat. Yeah.
As indecisive still.
Yeah, oh
Next
yeah.
bar aside.
Oh yeah. It's going nowhere really. It's really going nowhere. But yeah,
Chop. Your shorts are protected.
yeah.
You're waiting for the next.
Protected, yes, but yeah.
That's all you need.
I think so, yeah. We got a pin bar, yeah. Yeah, well, kinda going sideways. They're trying to push it a little bit down.
Pin at the top. So pin formed, sellers tested, shorts getting.
Yeah, secondary reason for cable actually. Second attempt here, power is down, chop, and here, and this is supposed to be a short. Wait a minute. Am I supposed to be
Cable showing.
short?
What does your structure say?
I think I'm supposed to be in a short here.
Then check your positions.
No. No, I'm just thinking out loud. Okay, never mind. We'll look at
You're
it
short
later.
then.
No, I mean I am incorrect. I'm incorrect. I read it wrong. It's nothing. It's supposed to be
You're
like
good then.
yeah,
Back to waiting.
I'm okay.
Order working.
I just put this on like this. It's a pending order.
Pending locked in then.
Yeah. And we
Any
wait.
fills yet?
No, well, we have two positions on already, but not in the cable. This is mega chop. I mean, the yen is doing what this yen is doing what it's doing, you know. Yeah.
Yen continuing its move. You're watching it.
Yen is continuing to do very like almost printing, creating a book at this point. Like it's lettering. It's not even directional. It's just printing symbols in a row.
Yen's flatlined then. Nothing there right now.
This setting is not too bad. Let's see what we have. I'm just gonna look at the big screen. Looking at the bubble settings for big screen, they are actually not too bad. Okay, 124, 650. Okay. What do we have here? Yeah.
What are you seeing on the bubbles?
Listen, it's not going anywhere.
Then you're watching for the shift.
I'm watching for something to happen. That's what I'm watching.
All right. What time do you have left on the pending orders?
It's like 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Then you're about to see if cable fills or cancels.
Yeah.
Waiting then.
I mean, we're waiting to see what price actually is doing. It's really going. It's a sideways bonanza right now.
Market's indecisive. Your stops are in place. You're waiting for commitment.
Yeah, sure, they are. Right. Yeah, they are.
Locked in then.
It's right. Okay. I'm just waiting. I'm just gonna wait to see what happens to the cable, if we get any fills or whatever. But also, you know what time it is?
What time?
This is what time it is. Blue Monster 0 VR46. Let's go. Yeah, buddy.
You good with energy levels?
Oh, absolutely. I just want to have a nice drink.
There. You've earned it after this session.
We haven't earned anything yet.
Fair point. Let's see how
Order
the
cancelled.
trades close out first.
Yeah, I cancelled the cable. No fill. Because it's the second attempt. It's not scraping the high. That's why it's like this. Yeah, M and Q not going anywhere. MES. Everything is just flat. Somebody needs to push this lower. Pretty much, right? Yeah.
Shorts need.
Yeah, something. They need something. Yeah.
price will show when it's ready.
Oh yeah, it will. Okay. Right. Let's do this. Yeah, and I found something.
What did you find?
Wait.
Go ahead.
Okay. We can draw the lines while we wait, actually. I'm going on another chart to draw like the lines on the trading view because yeah, it got a bit, didn't really have time for it this morning. And
Get the structure mapped.
yeah. That's what we're doing. Yeah.
Good use of waiting time then.
Absolutely.
All right, I'll let you.
It does not look good for the it does not look good. Let's see.
What?
No, it's no. It's very flat. It's going nowhere actually.
Still flat then. Your shorts are protected. Structure hasn't flipped.
Yeah, sure. But I mean, at this point, I want to see. Come on, do something, guys. Something. What's going on? Okay. So
Markets.
yeah, nothing here. Actually, it's interesting. On the daily chart, we have a double top formed on the ES. That is interesting.
Double top on the.
Daily chart on the ES.
So on the daily, you've got double top structure.
Yep.
That's a bearish.
That is definitely bearish. Something, yeah. Yesterday I mapped out. I was looking at DAX yesterday in the morning time. Or wait, what days? Yeah, yesterday morning, right? And I'm looking at the weekly structure and I'm like, yeah, DAX is going for the weekly level. And the same day we went for the weekly level. Or it might have been previous day, but it's very nice when you hit it. It's nice.
Weekly structure confirming intraday moves. That's clean confluence.
Yeah, it is. It's nice. And yeah, okay. Right.
All right, you're mapped and.
Yeah, Euro looks ready to go higher, but
So Euro pushing.
what's the yellow? Oh man, we need to remove the VPOC. That's what the yellow thing is. It's just slightly yellow, but it's messing with me a bit. Oh, okay. We need to sort that out.
Cleared it then?
Yeah.
Get it cleaned up. Keep mapping then.
This is super flat. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna clean it up.
Go ahead. I'll be here.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Okay. I updated it. Yeah, I have updated and saved that.
Good.
I mean, it's good, you know, it's nice, it's good information, but there was something slightly yellow on the bars. And I was just looking and looking and I realized, man, that's VPOC. Yeah.
Volume point of control visually. VPOC was throwing you off. You cleared it.
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Back to waiting then.
Yes. Waiting and the ice cold monster. Oh yeah.
That's the move.
It feels so nice. Actually, yeah.
Enjoy it.
Hey,
Earn
I
the
told you about the joke that I should be sponsored by the monster, right? Yeah.
You should. That's legitimate sponsorship territory at this point.
I should be. I mean, yeah, right. I mean, even if you ask me personally, the Instagram video where I cut the techno music and me just opening monsters one after another, cutting like every 2 seconds, open, 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 open. I mean, that video alone.
That's content right there. Monster and trading, brand gold, honestly.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So, what's price?
I mean, we are sitting and watching.
Right.
It looks like, I mean, we're getting, I mean, so it looks like we are getting more people selling than nothing else, but it's also not really going anywhere, and that's not a good thing, because if people actually are selling and price is actually not moving in the direction we want, yeah, that's not a good sign.
Sellers printing, but price not following. That's weakness in the short setup.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it's just hovering around.
Exactly. You should be seeing acceleration lower if conviction's there.
Yeah, and it's just slowly grinding higher, and it's absolutely not what I really like or want. Yeah. Well, we wait.
Shorts need lower conviction to work. You're watching.
Yep, we wait. We wait. What else can we do? Oh yes, that's right. I can. I'm gonna put this. We can have this 2-minute chart on, and let's see.
You're viewing the 2-minute now?
I'm just streaming it. Just wait. We might get stopped here, maybe, but nothing's really happening. So
On which one?
it's no matter. I'm reading the code. Shut up.
Go ahead.
yeah, I'm just going to plot the new indicator on like this. I rebuilt the indicator in the background. So just waiting. We got some nice weather today, actually. Weather's nice every day. Today we got some clouds, no bright sun, but still nice. No wind. I like it.
Conditions are solid for a run later then.
Maybe that's what we should do. Yeah.
Your wrap here soon, probably. Good session.
Probably in, I mean, at most, you can set a timer for 28 minutes.
28 minutes until something breaks or you're out of the trade window.
No, that's most likely the wrap time that concludes 2 hours.
2 hour session mark then. You're
Probably.
alright, you've got time.
Yeah. Okay, I need to restart this thing. I forgot one thing. Market's really not going anywhere. Yeah, but I want to finish trading this before I stop the stream, or at least I want to lock in something, or you know, of course I can protect it in the background. It's fine, you know, but yeah. Anyway, we go for 11. We go for 11 o'clock time here, and we'll see what's up with that.
You're locked in until 11 then.
Something
Waiting for
happened.
price-
Price just
What?
moved 7 points in half a second.
What direction?
Down.
Your shorts getting
I mean, looking slightly better.
slight confirmation then.
Not really, but yeah. Somebody told me about some news site that is a little bit better or faster than Forex Factory, but I'm not really sure. Can you find me some site that continuously updates news that I can actually switch to, and I don't have to refresh the page all the time?
Investing.com has live economic calendar with auto updates. TradingView also embeds it. Both refresh without manual refresh needed. Either beats Forex Factory's lag.
Okay. So I'm on investing.com. I don't even think I have an account with them. I don't think I need to, or do I?
No account needed. Calendar's free and live. Just go to investing.com, search economic calendar, bookmark it. Done.
I just clicked on the news thing actually.
There you go then.
Doesn't look like this is very fast though. Oh, okay.
What are you seeing? Is it
I don't know. I'm just sometimes when I see price reacting a little bit faster than it should, I think something's going on that I don't know about.
There's always a few seconds lag between news hitting and chart updating. Could also be algo frontrunners ahead of the official news. That's normal.
Definitely. All right, let's try this again. We need to restart the thing, I think. Okay.
What needs?
I'm just restarting because there was something with the indicator.
Lock it in and come back.
Okay, right. Okay, yeah, the problems. Okay, we need to fix the defaults. Right.
You good?
Nah, I'm not wasting bandwidth on that. I'm just gonna set it up.
Sort it and move on.
Yeah, we will.
Anything change on the charts while you...
Not really. Kind of flat.
What?
I mean, I don't know. Something's going on. A little bit. I don't really know what's up. Nah, I don't know what's up really. I don't know.
What's price doing right now?
Maybe we should just simply wait, right? But watching the price move is, I mean, it's something, you know.
Price will move when it's ready. You're waiting for the...
Yeah, I'm waiting for Santa Claus, to be honest, sometimes I think.
Market's Christmas shopping then.
Yeah, well, you know what time it is.
What time?
Eating gummies. That's what time it is.
Fair move.
Yeah. Yeah. And so MNQ now goes back up again. Goes down, goes up. Have no idea. Doesn't want to do anything. This is the chop. Definition of chop. Kinda. Yeah.
Market's undecided. Shorts need lower. You're waiting for commitment.
Undecided is the word, yeah.
That's the...
Mm-hmm. So, did we actually close higher? Double level, double. This to this. Actually, price has now changed direction. That means we can do this. No, we don't do that. Okay. NQ has changed direction from the double level to look for longs, but there's no gaps, no power, so we don't do anything to it. And MES also.
Gap. No power.
Yeah, MES has also actually done that.
No conviction on the long setup.
Mm.
You're staying...
We are pushing down the stop a bit here. I push the stop down a bit on the MES. It doesn't look clean, it doesn't look nice, but this is what we do. Right.
You tight.
Yeah, we
Stop.
wait. We wait. Let's see. Even on the 2 minute actually is for now, just because I said it now, formed a slight gap there. Actually,
So 2 minutes showing...
I don't know. We set up this thing in the background. We have to wait for yeah.
Formation on the 2 minute. You're watching for...
Oh yeah, it's over. Oh yeah.
What? Did price move?
I mean, it's. I mean, I'm toast. I'm toasted. Definitely.
You've been at this for hours.
No. My positions. Come on.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
filled.
There you are. Okay, that's my. I think that's the cue. That means we can actually stop doing this, maybe. But yeah. So yeah, we were taken out, and let's just see if we have anything left. No, that's fine.
Positions closed out then.
Yeah.
Session wrap?
We still have the MES. M&Q is done. Doesn't say. I mean, MES can still go lower. So we wait for this thing.
One position left on MES. Your MES still running. MNQ closed. You're watching MES to the finish line.
Yeah. Yeah.
How much time you have left? How much longer are you planning to run?
I mean, we like until 11 at least, right?
You said 11 was the mark. You've got...
Yeah.
Then you're locked in until then. MES is...
Is a mess. Yeah, I know.
I meant the trade. MES still running.
It is, yeah. Oh, Tradeovate is doing the thing where it just blanks out the screen. Okay, we have to restart it.
Platform acting up power cycle.
Platform, actually, the platform did this the last week as well. We're just gonna go on MT5, and I'm just gonna restart it because I'm not logging in on the stream. You know, I don't even have to comment on that thing, right?
You're good. Just restart and...
I am.
Back
Remember
online.
that time where I actually had a position on and I logged back in, I think last week, and my position wasn't there anymore, and I got filled. Yeah, during the thing, time.
Got filled while you were logged out.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're back now. Let's see. I'm just gonna set the trader weight. We need to select the correct one. There we are. We are back. Nice. And yeah, it's kind of chopping around, not really going anywhere.
Back online.
Mhm.
MES still...
Yeah, and this is a double level with a switch here. Euro looking for more shorts. And the cable, yeah, it's a pending and no fill. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, that's what I... Okay, yeah, it's fine. Okay.
You're back online.
Mhm.
Position still there.
You know, sometimes I think that I should actually just start earlier and go on a slightly faster chart for a bit more action, you know, for a bit more trades. But I mean, yeah, I don't know actually.
Earlier start catches the EU volatility spike before chop settles in. More setups at open. Cleaner reads.
Question though is there actually any open, right, for this type of chart?
EU opens at 0902. That's when volatility spikes and structure forms fastest. Chop comes later as algos scrape. Earlier start gives you the sharp moves.
Maybe.
You'd see.
Yeah. I remember like a month ago, maybe now it was like 2 months ago, I was taking out like 35 points out of the ES in under 30 minutes in the morning. That was good. That was
You
very
remember?
nice. Yeah. Let's see what we have. Yeah. Right. So okay.
So earlier start makes sense then.
It does not really. It doesn't really make sense. But from the data, what I've seen this week, and all of last week, and some of the week before, says that at least on the 5 minute, often it happens that I catch at least one more trade if I start. Let's say I start 30 minutes earlier, right? Yeah, it's not like it's a bad trade, right?
Data says 1 extra clean trade per session with earlier start. That's real edge.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I just restarted the voice on the thing because it's for some reason there's a 1 hour cap to it. I don't know why. Right. So we have a few seconds to the bar close. Nothing really happening here. MES. Same kind of story. And yeah. Not really going anywhere. Could be nice. Would be nice if we actually did go somewhere. But yeah. And we have the euro, switch direction, getting into the gap for the double level. Actually, no. Yes, we changed direction. Yes, we could get a reason to go short here. We'll see. We'll see if we get it. Okay. All right, you should be back now.
So you're...
I'm just looking at the charts, stream is still on. You died because of timeout. The 1 hour thing, remember?
Right. Time limit on the stream killed it earlier. You're back.
I haven't left.
You're good then.
Yeah, sure.
How's Mia's looking?
I did look at it, and it's not really doing anything good. It's, I think, 10 bars in a row. Well, now that you ask, it's kind of going higher. But, I mean, it's doing nothing good. Yeah.
Mia's grinding higher again, but Mia's grinding higher than not what your shorts want.
No, not at all. And yeah, on the 2 minute here on the M&Q, definitely a reason to be long here. With a stop below here and the targeting here. Are we doing that? I think no.
wrong setup, but you're not taking it.
Staying with the plan that was laid down before the session started. That is the reason why. Yeah.
And that's the discipline. System's locked. You're not deviating.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, the weather's looking. Question is, are we doing? What are we doing after this?
You're wrapping soon, or
Yeah. You can set a timer for 7 minutes. It's the wrap.
7 minutes.
Wrap timer, yeah.
Session wrap is 7 minutes then.
Pretty much, yeah. And then I will clean this up. And we'll see what's going on. Okay, so
Good call.
I mean, the thing is, what's going on here?
What do you mean?
MT5 is not doing what I want.
Platform.
Yeah. Okay, well, there's a minute. I'm just gonna look at the chart and then we're gonna decide something.
You're
Intra switch here. And then long here. TPS this level
set up.
or this. Nah, I'm just gonna look at the thing.
You reading the setup?
It's a waiting game at this point.
Then you're locked in until wrap.
Yeah. And yeah, EU could be, like I said, could be a short, but it blew through the thing. So, well, we can wait for one more bar. We will, but it's not really going to do anything. And cable,
More.
yeah, cable is no. Cable is a no. And yen is a printing piano. Yeah. Yeah, so because of time, we don't look at this anymore today. It would be interesting to short from here. Maybe. And also...
Time's up.
Now, no, you have the timer. Calm down.
There.
We
You're
wait
good.
for this.
You're at the.
Be quiet.
I'm listening.
I'm just rebuilding something in the code to wait and see.
Go ahead.
What do you do in between waiting for the bars? Well, we build the code, right? Yeah, so okay, like this, the green and the red. This is actually not too bad.
Code rebuild looking clean.
Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna
You're good. Finish.
just wait.
Waiting.
Yeah. We can do.
Good.
I'm just going to remove the TP from the
Order
ES
cancelled.
so it can sit there in the background in case of whatever.
Hold the TP. Let it ride.
Mm-hmm.
Protected by the stop. You're good.
Yeah. I also have
Anything else before
I have the ATM active as well, but I mean you know how that works. If the platform would shut off and the ATM is there, it doesn't actually work. Like I explained last week, orders can become orphaned because of OCO. And the ATM, how it works on the Trader-8, it's different when you compare to Ninja Trader. And for that reason, I remove the TP if I know that I need to be not there. That makes a balance even. And it makes it so even with a loss of power, for example, the account should be safe, which it wouldn't be if I had both the TP and the stop. It's one of those differences. You know, actually, it's 11, so we need to stop the stream. Yeah.
You're wrapping then.
Yes, we are, and so we have been on for 2 hours, and I have this position here. We'll see what happens. It doesn't look very good. Not much is happening, but yeah, okay, this is what it is. And yeah, I will double check now for exit everything, and I'll just do this trade mode deactivate, and I'll just go through all of it. Actually, the inside bar reaction to the pin. You know what? We're going to sell market here,
Order
and
filled.
then we're going to stop the stream. How about that one? You like that?
Lock it in and wrap.
Sure.
Good session. You're out.
1 second. Oh yeah,
Later.
I'm doing it. So what I'm doing here for the final thing, this is like just a closing a ritual for this platform, right? So I click the exit market, means this button means that I remove all positions, and I also remove all pending orders, limit stops, right? So I just click it frantically like this, and when I done that, I can scroll and see, oh, there's nothing. And then when I've done that, I can click the settings and deactivate the trade mode, which means I can't put on positions either, right? That means that this chart is now good for doing nothing, doing something else. And yeah, there was a reason here to enter on M2 here. Yeah. And most likely we already hit this, so most likely we're looking at this high over here. Anyway, and this chart doesn't have any entry thing. We don't trade. So I could decide to go and stick on the M2 all the way, right? It works as well. But we don't change the plan in mid trade thing, right? So this is also safe. This is also safe. This is also safe, and we also have the euro, which probably if we hit this level here, I'm just gonna protect it. We'll see as we speak. And we have MNQ, which is which has no positions. Yeah, good. Important to check because one of the differences between this platform and Ninja, and a lot of the brokers, they have both of these platforms available, and you can choose as the user which way to go. But Ninja does behave differently when it comes to pending orders and ATM and how it actually works. And because I use this version, that means I clean the chart manually. Yeah, and here we are. I think that's it. Yeah, if you like it, the stream, like the stream. If you have questions, post your questions. And let me know if you see that watermark saying that, yeah, you should think for yourself and stuff. I will see you in the markets.